Don't guess, this GroBucket setup just works. So besides earth boxes, I also grow in 5-gallon buckets using a system called GroBucket. Basically, it's a kit that converts a 5-gallon bucket into a sub-irrigated container with a reservoir tube. It has a nice little gauge as far as how much water is in there. I've got to start planting some tomatoes, so I need to set these up. Let me show you how I do that. Now, with any kind of container, since I don't throw the mix away because the professional potting mix is just way too expensive, you go ahead and you mix it up. And just like in the earth box, I've got a little cultivator. I also have the max bit, which is a perfect little tool for mixing the mix up. You have to be careful because all these tools will spill mix out of the bucket. And like the earth boxes where I have a collar to put on it, I've made a collar GroBuckets just out of a 5-gallon bucket that I put on here. This max bit, it's a little too deep in there and my drill doesn't fit all in there. So what am I going to do? Well, of course, I'm going to use the max bit with the 3-foot extension on it. It's as simple as going in and now all I've got to do is take my collar off, kind of smooth things out. You always add a little more potting mix, the container mix to these systems, and we're ready. Let's go ahead and put a tomato in here. What do you say? So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to do the Tartufo micro tomato in there. Got my fertilizer, but now we've got to, and I've got it's hard on my knees working like this. Tell you what, I can fix that. Let me do this. Let me change the angle here a little bit. Sorry about moving the camera all around. Yeah, I think maybe that'll work a little better with my titanium knees. Do it like that. No, not really, but we're gonna go ahead and make it work anyways. So we've got this. And of course here I'm out of frame, but it makes it a little hard to drill the hole with the extension on there. So let me go ahead and let me put the little max bit on there, and we're gonna do that. Always like to add fertilizer, so we're going to do a tablespoon of Osmocote in the hole. And then the Tartufo, this was a really interesting little tomato that I'm kind of fascinated by. It's a kind of a burgundy and red striped version. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the hole there, plant that up. And one more thing to do. And you always want to put tag on your tomatoes so you know and remember exactly what they are. This is the Tartufo, and these are, I'm using the tags, these are from MCG Bioplastics, a veteran-owned company. I'll put the link into the description of this video. But I love these labels for the plants.
Hey, and that's all there is to it. Got a few more to do here, so let me get to it. If anything I do in my videos help you become a better gardener, avoid mistakes, go ahead, hit subscribe. Everything I do here at the Nano Farm is real world gardening. Let's grow better together, huh? We'll see you guys.